For today's lessons, we'll be talking about partial fraction decomposition. For our case number 1, we will tackle about reducible factors. Our equation will be 5x over x squared minus 4. Our first step is to factor out the denominator. This would equal to 5x over x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now, let us reduce the rational function into its equivalent sums of rational function. Now, 5x over x plus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to, let's use a constant, which we'll use a, and over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 2. Now, to solve the value of a and b, we must multiply the equation to the least common denominator, and that is x plus 2 times x minus 2. X plus 2 times x minus 2 times 5x over x plus 2 over 8 times x minus 2. Let's cancel this out, which will get 5x equals, if we multiply this to a over x plus 2, we will get a times x minus 2, since we cancel out the x plus 2. Now, if we multiply this to b over x minus 2, we'll get plus b times x plus 2. Now, we will now assign certain values of x to make a certain part of the expression value to 0. Okay. We'll be assigning certain values of x to make a certain part of the expression value to 0. We have the equation 5x equals a times x minus 2 plus b times x plus 2. Sorry about that. Okay, now let x be equal to 2. So that's 5 times 2 equals a times 2 minus 2 plus b times 2 plus 2. We'll get 10 equals a times 0 plus b times 4. Just cancel this one out and we'll get 10 equals b times 4. To cancel the 4, we must divide it by 4. So b times 4 divided by 4 and 10 divided by 4. We'll get b is equal to 5 over 2. Now let's find the equation for the letter a. Let's find the value of a. Let x be equal to negative 2. So we'll get 5 times negative 2 equals a times negative 2 minus 2 plus b times negative 2 plus 2. So we'll get negative 10 equals a times negative 4 plus b times 0. Let's cancel this one out. We'll get negative 10 equals to a times negative 4 divided by negative 4. Cancel. Negative 4. And we'll get a positive 5 over 2. Now, let us proceed to substitution. Our equation earlier was 5x over x plus x squared minus 4. is simply equal to 5 over 2 over x plus 2 plus 5 over 2 over x minus 2. And that is our final answer. That's all. Thank you.